Today we are in Kleinburg at the corner of the 427 and Major Mac in a brand new townhouse development called New Kleinburg Towns. Welcome to 279 Moody Drive. When your home is a blank canvas, you are the artist. All this place needs is your creativity.
Play my strings like a symphony. Together we can do anything.
You'll be sure to easily turn this blank canvas into a masterpiece.
Falling hard like a tidal wave.
This never before lived in 3-bed, 3-bath, and 3-car town is the perfect place to make your own. That's 1,500 square feet of upgrades, 5-inch white oak wire brush engineered hardwood throughout, Atlantis oak staircases, ocean foam quartz countertops, and sunlit south-facing views.
It's just a thing of beauty.
Brandon Hebert, Berkshire Hathaway, Atlas Maverick Group.
It's just a thing of beauty.